Hey there, speed demons and boost junkies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's messier than your ex's Instagram feed: oil in your intercooler. If you've ever popped the hood and found your intercooler looking like an oil spill at a Jiffy Lube, stick around. We're about to uncover why your turbo's gone, from whoosh whoosh to whoops I did it again. What's up, gearheads? I'm your name, and welcome to another episode of Boost or Bust. Today, we're talking about a problem that's slipperier than a politician at a press conference: turbo oil leaks. Now, before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. Oil in your intercooler is about as welcome as a fart in a spacesuit. It's not just inconvenient, it's downright dangerous for your engine. Cut to engine bay shot. Let's break it down like a poorly maintained gearbox. Your turbo's job is to cram more air into your engine than a freshman trying to pack for spring break. The intercooler's mission? Cool that compressed air faster than your ex's heart. When oil crashes this party, it's like throwing sand into Vaseline. Everything gets messy, and nothing works right. So, why is your turbo leaking oil like a sad mechanical puppy? Well, grab your favorite beverage and buckle up, because we've got 7 reasons that'll make your head spin faster than a turbo at redline. Failed turbo seals. These little guys have one job, and when they fail, it's like trying to hold in a sneeze. Oil finds a way out. Cracked turbo housing. If your turbo housing is cracked, it's game over. It's like trying to use a colander as a water bottle. Oil overfill. Too much of a good thing is bad, folks. Overfilling your oil is like overinflating a balloon. Something's gotta give. Blocked oil return line. If oil can't get back to the engine, it's like a clogged toilet. Things are gonna overflow, and it ain't gonna be pretty. Excessive boost. Pushing your turbo too hard is like trying to breathe through a coffee stirrer. Eventually, something's gonna blow. Overheating issues. Heat is the enemy of all things mechanical. If your engine's running hotter than my mixtape, you're in for a bad time. Worn turbo bearings. These are like the hips of your turbo. When they wear out, things start wobbling, and that's when the trouble begins. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, my turbo's leaking. Do I just pour some Flex Seal in there and call it a day? No, for the love of all things holy and boosted, do not do that. Here's what you need to do. Find the root cause. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving murders, you're solving why your car sounds like a wet fart. Replace the bad parts. This might mean new seals, gaskets, or even a whole new turbo if you're really unlucky. Clean that intercooler. Get all that gunk out of there. It's oddly satisfying, like popping a really big pimple. Fix any other issues. If your car's running hot or you've been pushing too much boost, it's time to address that. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Change your oil regularly. Let your turbo cool down before shutting off the engine. And for Pete's sake, don't try to turn your Honda Civic into a Bugatti Veyron overnight. That's all for today, folks. If this video saved you from a turbo disaster, hit that like button harder than your turbo hits boost. And don't forget to subscribe for more boost or bust goodness. Until next time, keep your turbos spinning and your intercoolers oil-free.